Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to louder guidance volume on Google Maps. To louder guidance volume on Google Maps, you need to first open your Google Maps application on your mobile phone. Now, make sure that you are logged into your Google account. After this, you'll be able to find your Google account profile present on the top right. Tap on your Google account profile. With this, now here you can see settings option. Now tap on settings. After this, now here scroll down and look for navigation settings. Then tap on navigation settings. Now here you need to first make sure that your mute state is unmuted. If it is muted, then tap on unmuted option present on the right side. After this, here you can see guidance volume. Here my guidance volume is softer. Now tap on louder option present on the right side. With this, now the guidance volume will be louder. Similarly, you need to make sure that your volume on your mobile phone is turned high. With this, you will be able to get louder guidance voice while you are using Google Maps. This is how to louder guidance volume on Google Maps. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.